So hello guys, today we are again doing a new thing, and in this video we are going to do the MCQ of the rise of nationalism in Europe and also the true and false and fill in the blanks some. And so starting with the question 1, who remarked when French sneezes the rest of Europe catches cold? Giuseppe Mazzini, Metternich, Louis Philippe, and option D, John Gottfried. And just you have to think about the answer, and the correct answer is option B, Metternich. Now question 2. Which country had been party of the Ottoman Empire since the 15th century? Option A, Spain. Option B, Greece. Option C, France. And option D, Germany. And your correct answer is option B, Greece. Now question 3. Which country became full-flagged territorial state in Europe in the year 1789? And your questions are option A, Germany. Option B, France. Option C, England. And option D, Spain. And you should know the answer, and the correct answer is option B, France. Now question 4. When was the first clear expression of nationalism noticed in Europe? Option A, 1787. Option B, 1759. Option C is 1789. And option D, 1769. And I think correct answer is option C. And yeah, it is a correct answer. Now question 5. Which of the following did the European conservative not believe in? Option A, territorial institution of state policy. Option B, state and monarchy. Option C, abolish a return to a society of pre-revolutionary days. And here are only three options, and the correct answer is option C, a return to a society of pre-revolutionary days. Now question 6. Name the Italian revolutionary from Genova. Option A, Metternich. Option B, John Gottfried. Option C, Giuseppe Mazzini. And option D, none of these. And its correct answer is option C, Giuseppe Mazzini was from Genova. Now question 7. Which language was spoken for purpose of diplomacy in the mid-18th century in Europe? You have to tell the language. Option A, German. Option B, English. Option C, French. And option D, Spanish. And the correct answer is French. Option C. Now question 8. What was Young Italy? Option A, Vision of Italy. Option B, Secret Society. Option C, National Anthem of Italy. Option D, none of these. And its correct answer is option B, Secret Society. If you think that video is going long, you can make it fast. So now question 9. Treaty of Constantinople recognized TAS as an independent nation. Option A, Greece. Option B, Australia. Option C, Italy. And option D, none of them. And its correct answer is option A, Greece. Treaty of Constantinople recognized Greece as an independent nation. You should remember this. Now question 10. Which of the following did not play a role to develop nationalist sentiments? Art, music, and climate. And the correct answer is climate did not play any role to develop nationalist sentiments. Now question 11. Who was proclaimed the King of United Italy in 1861? You have to name the King of United Italy. Option A, Giuseppe Garibaldi. Option B, Victor Emmanuel II. Option C, Giuseppe Mazzini. Option D, Cavour. And the correct answer is Victor Emmanuel II. Option B is the correct answer. Now question 12. Liberal nationalists mainly belong to which class? Option A, elite. Option B, educated middle class. Option C, working class. Option D, artisans. And your correct answer is option B, educated middle class elite. Now question 14. Where was the first upheaval took place in July 1803? And the options are Italy, France, Germany, and Greece. And correct answer is option B, France. Now question 14. The most serious source of nationalist sentiment tension in Europe after 1871 was an area called Ottoman, Prussia, Balkans, Macedonia. And I think you should know the answer, and it's the very famous question, and its answer is Balkans. Now question 15. Which of the following was not a part of Napoleon's defeat? Option A, it's Britain. Option B, Australia. Option C, Italy. And the correct answer is option C, Italy. And here are only three options. Now question 16. Which newly designed flag was chosen to replace the formal flag royal standard in France? Option A Union Jack, tricolor, white saltire, and option D red cross. And its correct answer is tricolor. Now question 17. Which of the following reforms made the whole system in France more rational and efficient? Option A administrative reforms, social reform, economic reform, and political reform. And your correct answer is option A administrative reform. Now question 18. Who destroyed democracy in France? Adolf Hitler, Mussolini, Napoleon Bonaparte, Bismarck. And the correct answer is option C Napoleon Bonaparte. I think you are knowing this. Which region is ruled over by the Habsburg Empire? Option A Austria Hungary, option B France Netherlands, option C Spain Portugal, and option D Scotland and Ireland. And the correct answer is option A Austria Hungary. Now question 20. What was the main occupation in the mid 18th century in Europe? Trade and commerce, peasantry, craftsmanship, and option D all of the above. And its correct answer is and the answer of question 20 is option B, peasantry. Now question 21. What was the main feature of the pattern of land holding prevailing in the Eastern and Central Europe? Option A, tenants. Option B, vast estates. Option C, small owners. And option D, landlords. And its correct answer is option B, vast estate. Question 22. Which country began to use language as a weapon of national resistance? Poland, Prussia, Hungary, and Austria. And its correct answer is option A, Poland. Now, question 23. What major issue was criticized against by the liberal nationalists? Censorship laws to control the press, preservation of the church, a modern army, efficient bureaucracy. And its correct answer is option D, efficient bureaucracy. Question 24. German philosopher John Gottfried claimed that the true German culture was to be discovered among the common people. Aristocratic, middle class elite, none of the above. And its correct answer is option A, common people. Now question 25. The meaning of Volksgist, a common people, spirit of the nation, music, none of the above. And option B is the correct answer, spirit of the nation. The meaning of Volksgist. Now question 26. The place where the priests and bishops were punished. Siberia, Tundra, Mongolia, none of the above. And its correct answer is Siberia, the place where the priests and bishops were punished. Just write down in the comment what is the meaning of bishop. So now going toward the fill in the blanks question. Question 1. The Act of Union of 1707 was between dash and dash. And you have to just fill in the blanks. So just if you need time, then pause the video and I am telling the answer. And the answer is England and Scotland. Now question 2. Jacob Club were the dash. And I think you should knowing this. And its answer is political club. Jacob was the political club. And now question 3. When conservative regimes were restored to power, many liberal-minded people went underground because of the fear of repression. Now question 4. Allegory represent the nation of France. And its correct answer is Mariani. I don't know how to pronounce it. Now question 5. Dash were the most serious nationalist tension in Europe after 1871. And its correct answer is Balkans. I think we have done this in the multiple choice question. So moving to the true and false. So this type of questions are not necessary in the exam, but it can make you practice to solve the questions, and you will be introduced to new question. Now question 1 of the true and false. In Britain, formation of a nation state was a long parliamentary process. Just you have to write true and false, and if it is true, then just remember it as an objective question, and its answer is true. It is true. Now question 2. Jacob Club influenced German army, and I think it is false. because it was a political club in France. Now question 3. The Napoleonic board, I don't know what is this, upheld reforms and equality. And its correct answer is true. It is true. Now question 4. From 1848, Prussia took on the leadership of the movement of national unification, and the given statement is true. Now question 5. Mazzini was a great revolutionary leader of Romania, and it is false. So we have done all the questions. Just visit my channel homepage and just subscribe it. The channel named Samir Srinath. And for more questions, just click on the I button. It is the first video of this series, but I am adding new videos to the playlist of MCQ of SST. So just trying to visit it and just keep update. So thank you for this view and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day.